God bless you. Predestined seed. We are cuevadelprofeta.com. This is the bread of life today. 1 Corinthians 15:10. But by the grace of God I am what I am. Listen now, the voice of God's prophet for this day.
Could you imagine going out here and telling a pig, say, now look here, Mr. Pig, I'm going to tell you you're wrong. Well, you could wash him up and put him on a tuxedo if you wanted to. That wouldn't do no good. He'd go right back to the mud puddle and wallow again. It's his nature. He's a pig to begin with. And every man, every unregenerated person, no matter how good you try to be, how good you think you are a sinner by nature until God changes your nature. Amen. Now, that's right. We don't like to say that. Oh, you say, I wear the best clothes in the neighborhood, I got the best car, I have the best. That doesn't have one thing to do with it. If the nature's not, I never told lies, that still hasn't got anything to do with it. There's no merits of your own, but it's the unconditional election and calling of God, and salvation is the merits of Jesus Christ, and nothing that any individual could do. God, by His love, saved man. Love saved man.
Shalom. If this video was a blessing for your life, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God keep you, dear brother and sister.
Señor, y sentir la paz excelsa de tu amor.